Let's get it. Today's leg day. Long day on the road today. We're going to get a quick leg day in, which I like to do the first day of the week, which for me is Monday. Knock it out because you never skip leg day. First, we're going to do leg curls. On leg curls, the biggest thing you want to do is make sure you isolate the hamstrings, keep your core tight. The only thing you really want to be pulling is that hamstring. Go form over technique until you get it down. Next, we have leg extensions. Same thing, but with the quads. Extend all the way, squeeze hard at the top of the. We hit consistency before we hit weight. Make sure every rep is clean. And next, we have leg press, nice wide base, core tight. Go all the way down, slow, control, and explode to the top of that rep. Now we go RDLs. Once again, working that hamstring. We have a hinge at the waist, and then we're pulling from our legs up. Again, core tight. Keep the weight as close to your legs as possible. And that's whether you're using a dumbbell or a barbell. Chest high and tight. This way you avoid back injuries or any other ailments you may have. Everything's slow, controlled. Take care of your body as you're working out. We have a sumo squat next. Nice squat alternative. Go nice and deep every rep. Slow, controlled. Always focusing on that rep quality. Again, a quick leg day after a long day of work should take no more than 45 minutes. And to finish this workout out, we have a single leg RDL. Tougher than it looks. You have to keep your balance. Really heavy on the hamstrings today. And single leg RDL, keep that weight close to your leg as you descend, maintaining that balance, setting it apart from your regular RDLs. Leg day done. Tomorrow, arm day.